Good morning, my boy. Now, why are you standing at the fridge? Okay, I know why. Because you're hungry. That is his food. All right, so I'm good. I'm gonna give you some food. I know you're hungry. I'm a good boy. All right, excuse me. Get your bowl. So this is a new recipe this week or these couple of days. I don't know if you can see, but there's carrots in there. There's ground beef. There's rice, and there's liver, and there's also eggs. Quite a few of them that I basically beat in there. I'm gonna break it up for him because he is way too impatient. He'll just swallow everything, and that can be good for digestion. And he is salivating over there. He's licking his mouth. So I'll show you guys. All right, come here. Sit. Free. All right, so now I'm going to show you. I do this as part of his training occasionally. You see a lot of times that dogs will fight you. They won't let you take their food. So this is a trick, right? What I like to do is I like to take the food away from him, but then I will put more. So watch. All right, so he's not fighting me. See that? All right, sit. My boy, sit. Okay, now I'm gonna, while he's watching, I'm gonna give him more. All right, so he sees that. Free. That way, that way that's why he trusts me, right? He trusts that I won't take the food away from him, that is going to always be his, but I'm actually going to reward him with even more if he doesn't fight me. And after this, I'm going to take him on a walk. So I think his weight is actually holding steady. May have lost a pound or two. It's hard to tell. So I definitely think he's making progress. And I'm also cooking some salmon for myself. It's the same salmon that I give to him. Comes with skin on and is wild caught. It's actually pretty cheap. It's actually quite inexpensive. I get them frozen from Walmart. I'm a firm believer now that you're actually going to save money, most likely if you feed them good food, because they don't get sick. When they get sick, you take them to the doctors. It's going to cost you a lot of money. It's incredible how expensive these days vet visits are. Incredibly expensive. My big boy. it's still kind of remarkable how he went from that little guy at 8 weeks old to this big guy. I still call him my little boy sometimes, a lot of times, because he is my little boy. Oh, there's my salmon. I don't know if you can hear it because the salmon's ready, so now he's picking up the crumbs. Licking the floor. I'm sure my flooring smells like doggy saliva. Alright, there we go. Did you have a good meal? Alright, we'll end it here because I'm about to eat my salmon.